Hi all, welcome back to another one of my videos. So I haven't done this in a while, so I thought I may as well do a video to put it on YouTube, but I've got a massive Everything £5 haul, so I thought I will just open it with you and just do a massive unboxing. At the moment, there's so many good items that are perfect for like autumn, winter. So first up, we've got these jeans. So the reason I wanted these jeans is because they have an elastic waist, and as I'm petite, so I find it really hard to find jeans that actually fit me. I don't know if any of you guys have the same problem, but basically it's really hard. They're either too tight, they're not high enough. So these are super high rise. It says they're premium denim, and I love the color. The color's perfect. And they've got the elasticated cuff at the bottom. So these are the jeans. Next up, so they have so many jumper dresses at the moment as well, and all of really good quality. So here is a jumper dress. I love that. So this will go so well with tights. You don't even have to wear tights, but it's a lovely, just casual. The material's really soft as well. I'm obsessed with rib sets, and this is a rib set. I love the colour. So I picked the lighter colour. It does come in a few colours. So this is like a high neck, similar to what I'm wearing now actually. A high necked ribbed vest top. So for the price, you're getting two for the price of one. So you've got the ribbed trousers. So these are really nice. They fit great as well. And they're loose fitting, but they're not super loose fitting. So if you're petite like me as well, it's perfect. And you're getting two for the price of one. So for £5.95, you're literally getting a crop top and the trousers. Such a bargain. So you can wear that as loungewear or out. This is this super nice jumpsuit. Look at that. It's really nice. It's that lovely material as well. And it's got the drawstring waist, so it's really flattering. These, I love the colour. So I love anything that's like pink or purple. So these are a matching set. So there's a cute ribbed crop top here, which I love. Look at that. I love that. With the matching shorts. And you can still wear these. So you could wear these around the house or with the jumper. They're super stretchy, high waist, lovely. I'm obsessed with these. These are probably my favourite. I love leggings. So if you follow me on TikTok, you'll see that I love leggings. So these are such a bargain as well. I'll do a try on after and I'll post them on the end of this video. So this is the raincoat. Look at that. I wanted a raincoat for so long, but it's been so expensive everywhere else, and I just couldn't bring myself to spend the money. But for this price, look at that. Other people that have bought the raincoat already have said it's definitely waterproof, and it's really long. So for me, it comes all the way down to my legs. So you literally can't go wrong. These are the rib leggings. So these are amazing. They're such good quality. £5.50. Amazing. Really got them in the bright luminous, so the orange and the pink, which I love. So I just wanted to show you the comparison. So I've already worn these a few times. My pink one's already in the wash, but they're such good quality. They're really flattering. They're high-waisted. I just had to get them again. Right, this is really popular as well. A lot of people are getting these. They come in so many colours, but of course I went for the pink. So this is the colour block jacket. So this is just really good wear. If you think it's raining and it's light rain or it's not too hot yet, you can just put this on and wear it and you're basically covered. And I love this. I think that's such a good buy. Also got loads of lovely autumn winter boots. So I picked some as well. They've got lovely chunky ones, but we went with the more classic ones because I really like heel boots in winter. I tend to like stick to Ugg boots, and then if I want a heel, I would wear the heeled boots. So I love them. So quilted. So what a bargain. Lovely. And then next, I thought I would give their makeup a try. So they've got a variety of makeup now, really cheap. So they're just a couple pounds. So there's some liquid blush here, which looks really good. A normal blush. So I love blush. Bronzer. So the bronzer comes with a mirror, which I thought is fantastic for the price. Oh, look at that. You've got the mirror there as well. Good highlighter. Lovely, that's a really nice colour. Some more blush. So I will do the try on now.